All right. Hey, Long, thanks for reaching out. Good question. Hope you're doing okay and everything. It's good to hear from you. We're summing all these numbers and we have to use a while loop. Honestly, I think this one's better for a for loop because we loop specifically between 10 and 1245, but I guess I just wanted more practice with while loop, so that was my thinking there. So what I would do is you're going to need two variables here, one that tracks the sum and one that loops through these numbers. Okay, so I'm just going to do the loop through the numbers first, right? So I'm going to basically do like an int num and start it off at 10. And then I'm going to say while num is less than or equal to 1245, right? Because I want to go all the way up to 1245, right? Um, I'm going to add it to the sum. So I'm going to say the sum is whatever the sum was before plus num. Okay, and so I just forgot up here, I have to make my sum variable, and I'm going to start the sum at 0 so that the first time I'll just add 10 to 0, and then the next time through my sum will be 10, and I'll add 11, the next number to that, give me 21, and then the next time through I'll take my previous sum 21 and add the next number, which would be 12 at that point, and just keep going. So the sum will just keep building up um, by adding one thing at a time, adding 10, then 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, just like shown here. Okay. And then the only other thing is I need to increase num each time. So right now num is 10 and it goes less than or equal to 1245, but I need to make it go up by one. So inside my loop, after I add it to sum, right, the first time through I'll add 10 and then boom, num will become 11. And then I'll add it to the sum again, and I'll keep doing this as long as num is less than or equal to 1245, so that the last number I add to sum is 1245. All right, and then I don't want to display it till I'm done doing all the loop, right? So I do my sysout print of the sum at the end of that. Okay, so if we run this, we should get, I don't know what the sum is, but it looks like it's a pretty big number. All right, so hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any additional questions and if I can help in any other way. Take care.